Intelligence over flash, Antoine Griezmann masters the game. A forward known for smart positioning and tactical awareness, Griezmann connects midfield and attack seamlessly. His creativity and finishing ability have delivered trophies and unforgettable moments. Whether scoring spectacular goals or assisting teammates, he thrives in big tournaments. Griezmann's discipline and football IQ make him invaluable. For more stories of experienced game changers, subscribe and stay connected.